Committee on Protection of Indigenous Peoples' Ancestral Land Copipal has announced a ban on the entry of Kuki community into Zeliangrong Naga inhabited areas of Manipur, including Inpui, Liangmai, Rongmai and Zimi regions, effective from June 2nd next month. According to a press note issued by Copipal's media cell, the decision was taken during a People's Consultative meeting on April 14th, organized by the Joint Tribe Council at Konsaram village. The move comes in response to an incident on April 5th, allegedly involving members of the Kuki community, which Copipal described as unforgivable. The committee stated that the action was taken after careful deliberation, accusing the Kuki community of attempting to infringe upon the rights of the Naga people. Copipal emphasized that the ban will remain in place until a mutual understanding is reached and called on all stakeholders to respect the decision.